Okay, I'm going to give you a tour real quick of this duplex since it's been trashed out. You might have watched my previous video I did when I first got the assignment. The property had junk all in it. Anyway, I'm going to walk through it and show you what it looks like trashed out. Even though they didn't clean it worth the crap, it looks horrible as far as dirty and stuff. But anyway, it's a foreclosure, it's a duplex, so let's check it out. Okay, so maybe you've watched my previous video, but I'll go over it again. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit duplex. You got a living room, you got your kitchen, and you can see how filthy dirty it is. Both units are the exact same dimensions, just opposite sides of the duplex. It's got a nice size of laundry room. So even though the cabinets look like crap, they're dirty, disgusting, they look like they could be easily sanded and painted, so I don't even think you'd have to replace these cabinets. Probably a new countertop. This unit has this unit actually has a newer HVAC. Another good thing about these units, they have all tile floors, so you don't have to do flooring. They need a good cleaning. But besides that, I mean, they're pretty much good to go. Alright, so here's your 1 bath. I mean, it's got a tile shower and stuff. I mean, it's not bad at all. Okay, so here's your other bedroom. Now this is the one that has the hole in the ceiling from the roof. If you haven't noticed, this house does need a roof. It's got a hole in it. Tarps are all torn up. Plus the preservation company tarped the roof, which ruined it even more, so. Okay, so this is unit A. Check out back here. So you got a little flat backyard area, no decking, no patios, nothing special. But this is units A HVAC, which is like a newer unit. You can see, if I can get a good picture. That tarp was on there a little bit better before Hurricane Sally ripped it off, but okay. So this is unit B. I don't know if this door's open, probably not. Oh yeah, it is. Alright, so we'll go in the back here, unit B. Here's your laundry room, dry water heater, it's electric. These units are all electric. There's no gas or anything to them. And this unit's about the same as the other one. The cabinets don't look in bad shape. They're dirty, filthy, but they could be salvaged easily. So countertop appliances, and you're good to go. This unit's definitely gonna need an HVAC. This one looks old as dirt. Okay, so here's your master bath, well, your only bath in unit B. This is your other bedroom. And here's your sheetrock spot that's gonna have to be fixed in this room. And here's your other bedroom. Now, the bank listed this at $94,640. I think that's a pretty good price, honestly. This client actually doesn't entertain offers for the first 10 days till alpha market saturation. So we've only been on the market a few days, so it's not time yet for all the offers to come in. But at $94,000, I mean, this thing, even though it's not for rent, it's for sale. I've already had 5 rental calls. Okay, so this is 1007 Winton Avenue here in Pensacola, Florida. It's right off Gulf Beach Highway. It is a brick duplex, all tile floors. It does have some newer windows, but it needs It needs all interior paint, it needs appliances, it needs a hell of a cleaning, it needs some sheetrock ceiling work, and it's going to need a new roof. And probably an HVAC for Unit A. Besides that, it's brick. And you just don't find brick duplexes that much around here. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Hope it gives you a little bit better idea of what this property looks like. So if you're thinking about placing an offer, you kind of know what you're dealing with. Just remember, your roof's your biggest item, HVAC, and sheetrock work. The kitchen, I think the cabinets are salvageable. Kind of depends on what you want at the end of it, but those things got pretty good margins. It's hard to say exactly what the rents could be, but I mean, $750, $800, I don't think that's a problem at all. Like I said, people are dying for housing around here right now. We're in a crunch from the hurricane. So anyway, if you have any questions, please hit me up, give me a call. I'll be glad to answer any questions possible. If you want to ask something, hit the comments below. Make sure and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it and have a great day. Thanks.